Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to discuss about another data structure called queue. Queue is a simple data structure like stack, and we're going to implement queue using array. And the only thing that is different between a queue and stack is the way we access the items, the order of the items, the order we access the items. So let's discuss the data structure on the whiteboard. So let's assume that we have a pipe, right? And in that pipe, we have a entry, and we have a exit, and we have item to put in the pipe are like 1, 2, and 3. So in this pipe, we can put items using the entry, and we can extract item using the exit, and that is the rule. And when you put items, the first item, when you put 1, the 1 will go here, and then we're gonna put 2 will be here, then 3 will be here. Now when we extract item, the first item we're gonna extract is 1, the second item we're gonna extract is 2, and the third item we're going to extract is 3. So if you observe that, the first item that we put in the queue, that is 1, and we are able to access that item first, and the second item that we put 2, we are able to access that in second, and the third item that we 3, and we are able to access that in third. So the first item that we put in the queue, we are able to access that first. So queue is a first in, first out data structure. So whatever item we put in this queue first, we are able to access that first, and whatever item we put in the queue last, we are able to access that last. So now let's implement that using JavaScript. So I have created a class, so let's instantiate our queue with an array. So constructor, and this dot queue equals to an array, and similarly, like a stack, we will have a add method. The add method will take a value and add value to our queue. Then we'll have a pop method that will mutate the queue and return us the top value. Then we'll have a top method that will return us the top value without mutating the queue. And lastly, we'll have a size method that will return us the size of the stack. So now let's implement the methods one by one. The add method gonna add that queue dot push val. Let's return true, and then pop method will return us this dot queue dot shift. Remember, we will be taking an item to the opposite side, so shift will do that. The top item will be like return this dot queue 0, and size will return us the size, the length of the queue. So return this dot queue dot length. So that's all. Now let's test our queue. So I have created a test case where I am adding first item is 1, second item is 2. So after that, if I test the size, it should be 2, and the top should be 1, because 1 is the item that inserted first in the queue. Then we're gonna pop the item, it should pop the 1, and now the size should become 1. And now when we check the top item, because we popped 1, the top item should be 2. Now let's run our tests. That's it, test case passes. So that's all about queue. Thank you so much.